Here we are doing SOP3 of FIGC Information Technology. Here we are creating a JavaScript program for the following using appropriate variables, JavaScript inbuilt string functions and control structure. To accept string and calculate its length, to accept string and display it into lowercase and uppercase, to check whether the length of string is 4 or greater. So now we'll start this SOP. First, here we are creating a JavaScript program. We are using appropriate variables, and here more focus will be on string. Now to accept string and calculate its length. So this is the first, to accept string and calculate its length. I have written the string 5 character, so the length is 5. Now let's say I am writing Abbas Ali 1 2 3, so it is 11. Abbas Ali is 8 and 1 2 3 is plus 3, so 8 plus 3 11. Now let's see the coding of this. Doc type HTML title. Okay, to accept string and calculate its length, title close, head close, body open. Now script language, okay, its tag is used to embed a client side script, that is JavaScript, where is nothing but the function and variable are known as keywords. Data type declaration statement. Here I have declared A. Now A is equal to prompt. Prompt box is often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. If the user clicks OK without entering any text, an empty string is written. And then document.write. Now document.write is a statement is used for displaying some text on the screen. Script tag open, script tag close, body close, and HTML close. And we had seen the output also. College. The length is 7, COLLEGE. Let's see the other experiment. What does other experiment says? To accept string and display it into lowercase and uppercase. It's very easy. Here I have written in lowercase. It will show me the value of lowercase as well as in uppercase. So I have written in lowercase. The lowercase will be this and uppercase will be this. If I am writing in uppercase, so it will show me in uppercase where I have written, in the lowercase as well as in uppercase. Let's see the coding. Doc type HTML head title, to accept string and display it into lowercase and uppercase. Title close, head close, body open. Script language, tag is used to embed a client side script, that is JavaScript. Then variable A. Now what is variable? It's a known as keywords. Now data type declaration statement prototype has been given. Here I had given A is equal to prompt, any value. Now prompt is nothing, it's an often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. If the user clicks OK without entering any text, an empty string is written. Then I have written document.write. In that, enter string is equal to plus A. Then document.write lowercase a dot 2 lowercase. Now a uppercase, a dot 2 uppercase. So this is I have to write in the document.write. It's a statement used for displaying some text on the screen. Script tag open, script tag close, body close, HTML close. We had seen the output also for this. I'll see the other experiment. What does other experiment says? To check whether the length of string is 4 or greater. If I put anything that is greater than 4, it will show me 4 or greater. Let's see the output. Let's say I'm putting Abbas, it will show me 4 or greater. Now let's say I'm putting Ali, it will show me your text is below 4. If it is 4 or greater, it will show me 4. If it is below 4, it will show me your text is below 4. Let's say I'm writing over here 1 2 3 4 5. It is showing me 4 or greater. Now let's say I'm writing only 1 and 2. It will show me your text length is below 4. Let's see the program. Doc type HTML head. Title to check whether the length of string is 4 or greater. Title close, head close, body close. Script language. Here, a script language indicates I am writing okay the script. Site coding, it's used for embed client side script. And then where it's a variable, okay, it's a keyword. Data type declaration statement has been given. Then after variable prompt, enter your text is often used if you want the user to enter a below value before entering a page. If the user clicks OK without entering any text, an empty string is written. Here b is equal to 8.length. If b equal to 4, b will be less than or equal to 4. Alert, or your length is 4 or greater. Else, if I am putting less than 4, it will give me an alert your text is below 4. Script tag was open, script tag close. Body was open, body close. HTML open and HTML close. So here we had use the if and else condition. Your length is 4 or greater. If I am putting 4 or greater, if I am putting less than 4, it will show me your text is below 4. We had covered each and everything. We had covered this complete SOP starting from here till here. We had created a JavaScript program for the following using appropriate variables. We have used the variables, and we have used the string function, and we have used the control structure, that is if and else. And we have done this experiment. Accept string and calculate its length. To accept string and display it into a lowercase and uppercase to check whether the length of string is 4 or greater. I hope you have understood this tutorial.